Hello everybody, welcome back. Hopefully the lighting's not too harsh and crazy in here. We're going to be cleaning these leather seats today. So I've got some gold class leather vinyl cleaner. We'll hit it with that first, see what we can get out of it. I got to be careful, this seat is a little brittle, so there's some spots I might have to be careful on until I can get them fixed. It's starting to kind of flake and peel away right here. And then many moons ago, when I was detailing, the wonderful people at Surf City Garage had sent me some samples of this Voodoo leather rejuvenator. And I remember it being pretty good, so we're going to try that out. But this one's pretty old, so I got to make sure I got all this stuff shaken pretty good. Yeah, we'll start by just we'll get the seats all cleaned up. At least get this one to start. The spare's kind of not so good. Oh, it's starting to get better. Spraying it everywhere. So I'd like to be pretty gentle on leather. I don't do anything too harsh. I don't like to use any like crazy APCs or anything. Sorry if I'm shaking the camera like crazy. Yeah, I just like to be kind of gentle. And you'll see, I mean, this towel's getting pretty dirty. I had cleaned these not too long ago. Yeah, we're going to get them all nice and clean. And then we'll hit them with this rejuvenator. I like to spray into the towel just because I don't really want to get all this stuff all over the place. Even though it's good for vinyl, which is fine, it just keeps me from getting a mist like on the glass and just causing some extra cleanup that isn't necessary. So yeah, just keep scrubbing at this. Going very liberal with the spray. So these are nice and clean. Got to figure out a little bit better solution for lighting. So I'm going to work on that so that you guys can kind of see a little bit better, because I know something like this, I don't know how well this is going to pick up. So but yeah, these aren't too bad. I thought they were going to be a lot worse. I mean, I guess I'm not a dirty guy. I wouldn't be covered in grease getting in my car unless it was an emergency. Yeah, bolsters are good. They're still in good shape. Got a couple small cracks, but I'm gonna repair all that. I'm gonna get the like the putty and refill it and try to match color and all that stuff. So I'm really looking forward to that because I've not been able to do that before. So it'll be a cool project. Alright, these are looking good. This is looking nice and clean. Nice and clean. Alright. Good. Now, I like those little foam microfiber applicator pads. I actually don't have any right now, so I'm just going to use a microfiber. So I just put like something about the size of a quarter, and I work it into the microfiber really good, so that I got a good spot to work off of. We'll just start rubbing this in. Stuff smells pretty good too. It's not too bad. It is definitely making the leather look a lot better. It's giving it just a slight, I don't want to say a shine, but just a little, I don't even want to say semi, like it's matte. It's not greasy. It just, I don't know, it looks good. We'll just have to see how long this lasts. I can tell you right now, the leather already feels a lot better. We're just going to keep working this in. Should cover the seats really good. I'm really sorry I left out the fact that I had, 1 second. I had already vacuumed and cleaned all the seat up before I started this process. Yeah. Let's get a little bit more. Just want to make sure I apply it liberally. So you can always wipe off the extra, you know? And this is supposed to help protect and keep the leather hydrated. So a lot of it's going to soak in anyway. That already looks worlds better. And how you know if you did a good job cleaning is when you start conditioning, you don't want to see your towel get dirty. I did an okay job. There's a little bit of dirt on the rag, but it's not too bad. This is just a quick demo. I'm not going full bore like I usually, or like I shouldn't say usually, but how I do at least a couple times a year. I'll really dig deep, but I really need to get this part of the seat fixed a lot sooner than later. But it's looking good. It's looking real good. And like I said, all I used was just a leather protectant, leather rejuvenator. There's a lot of good ones out there. You don't have to use this one, but this one does a pretty good job for me. Like I said, keeps a nice matte finish, looks good. And then I just use the Maguire's or Maguire's or however you say it, Gold Class vinyl and leather cleaner. Stuff's good. Yeah. So it's just one more step. Like I said, this whole channel and everything about it is getting this Saab in tip-top shape. So it's looking mighty fine and as close to mint and cherry as I can get it. Not long ago I had pulled out this black walnut plastic and I had shined that up and it was looking pretty good, but there's still some pretty deep scratches, so I'm going to try to address that. I'm going to do the same with all the rest of the wood trimming on the inside. I'm going to get the rest of these seats all cleaned up so it's looking all nice, and give it a quick vacuum because it needs it for sure. But yeah, I just wanted to bring you guys along for the ride. You got nice leather seats like that, make sure you take care of them. Previous owner did a really good job. These could be in a lot worse shape for sure, and for being as old as they are, they're still holding on strong, and now they'll be taken care of and last even longer. If they already made it 186,915 miles, they should be able to do another 300-400, right? I would think. Can't say the motor will last that long, but I will say these seats will. Yep. That's going to be it for me today. Hope everybody enjoyed. Have a good one, and I'll see you again soon.